Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find out the rate law of a reaction if initial rate of reaction at different concentration of reactant is given. Let us take an example in which we have to find out the rate law for the synthesis of nitrosyl chloride from nitric oxide and chlorine. The data is given in the table like as concentration of nitric oxide, concentration of chlorine and initial rate of reaction. So to solve this type of question, we should first write the rate law like as rate is equal to K concentration of NO raised to power A and concentration of Cl2 raised to power B, where K is rate constant, A and B are the order of reaction in terms of nitric oxide and chlorine respectively. So to find out the value of A, we will select the two rows from the table in which concentration of chlorine is constant while concentration of NO is varying. So if you see the table, in row 1 and row 3, the concentration of chlorine is constant 0.05 and 0.05, while the concentration of nitric oxide is varying from 0.05 to 0.15. So row 1 and row 3 will be our choice for the calculation of A. So we will put these values in the equation like as C2 upon C1 raised to power A is equal to R2 upon R1. The value of C2 is 0.15 divided by 0.05 raised to power A is equal to R2 is equal to 9 upon 1. So this will become 3 raised to power A is equal to 3 raised to power 2. So the value of A will become 2. Similarly, for the calculation of B, we will select row 1 and row 2 in which the concentration of NO is constant while the concentration of chlorine is varying. Now we will put these values in the equation. So the value will be 0.15 divided by 0.05 raised to the power B is equal to 3 upon 1. So 3 raised to the power B will be equal to 3, or we can say B is equal to 1. Now putting the value of A and B in the rate law equation, we will find the rate law. So the rate law will become rate is equal to K NO power 2 and Cl2 power 1. Now in this way we can find out the rate law of any reaction if initial rate of reaction at different concentration of the reactant is given. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much.